Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the official Samsung case lineup for your Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now all of these cases you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $35 to $65. Now on a side note, when I test wireless charging, I'm going to be using the Samsung 10,000 milliamp fast charging wireless charging power banks. Now you can pick these up on Amazon for $40. Real quick, they got a nice little silicone top, wireless charge. On one side, got your power button with LEDs. You got USB Type-C in, that's how you're going to charge up the power bank. And you got a USB-A for a wired connection. So if you want fast wireless charge, put your phone right on the top. If you want even faster charge, use a cable. Or if you want to charge two devices at the same time, you can have one wirelessly charging and one wired charge. $40 on these. They come in rose gold and silver. All right, so let's get right into it. Now I got 7 cases I want to show you, so I'm going to try to make this quick. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. First up, we got the silicone cover. Now this one is going to run you $30. It comes in black, brown, and white. Okay, let's see. Do we see anything we need to look at? Basically, non-slip foam protection, ultra slim. All right, silicone cover. Now I went with the white color on this one. This is basically just a silicone cover. On the inside, got a little textured feel. There's your cutout, buttons, cutouts, buttons. All right, so let's slap it on the phone and see what it looks like. There it is. On the front, got a little bit of razivity. All right, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great. White Shoes is back in the building. White Shoes, calm down. Okay, where was we? Let's check the buttons real quick. All right, there's your power button. No problems with that. Let's see how easy it is to get to that S Pen. Okay, no problems with that. Like I was saying, Slamboy certified. And let's check wireless charging. Wireless charge on deck. All right, so this is a silicone cover. Looks real nice. All right, the top and bottom is protected. Adds a little bit of extra weight, but not much. All right, I'm feeling this one right here. Now the white is going to get dirty, so you can't rock this one every day. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the clear protective cover. Now this one is going to run you $40. It comes in white and black. Let's see, perfect device protection and transparent. All right, $40 on this one. All right, so this is basically just a transparent style case. Now, if you get black, you're going to have the black trim. If you get white, you're going to have the white trim. If you're going to use this every day, I recommend going for black because, again, this one is going to get dirty. All right, on one side, got a little bit of grip. All right, I like that. This is hard shell. All right, so not really flexible. Here's your cutouts, buttons, cutouts, buttons. Let's slap this one on. Now, this one has a nice amount of razivity, so it's Slamboy certified. Let's check the buttons. Right, there's the buttons. Now, on a side note, I know y'all love that video lock screen. Come on, bro. Take a look at that. New York City in the building. I love it. Let's see how easy it is to get to the S Pen. No problems with that. Let's check wireless charging. All right, there's your wireless charge. Real nice. All right, the top and the sides and the bottom, everything is protected, and you can still showcase that beautiful mystic bronze. Now, here's one thing I want to mention. Somebody's going to ask me, why don't I check reverse wireless charging? You got to read the fine print. All right, Samsung recommends don't ever use reverse wireless charging with a case. So anytime you want to charge your earbuds or you want to charge up another phone, take the case off. All right, if you use reverse wireless charging with the case, your phone is liable to overheat. All right, so you don't want to do that. Okay, so this is a clear protective cover. Comes in 2 colors, $40. Now, on a side note, a lot of people have been asking me, is this mystic bronze really pinkish or is it more copper? And if you look at the old rose gold color, it's more of a rose gold kind of color. I wouldn't say pink, but I would say definitely leaning toward this color, the color of rose gold. Personally, I still love it. You know what I'm saying? Don't matter to me. But if you look, it's kind of rose goldish. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Cavadrip cover. Now this one is gonna run you 35 bucks. It comes in red or gray. Okay, let's see. Durable, designer-inspired foam protection, ultra slim. Cavadrip cover. Now this one kind of has a fabric feel to the back. I love the feeling on this one. Inside is soft, kind of like a silicone material. Protection for the top and the bottom. There's your cutouts, buttons and cutouts. Simple and straightforward. Now you're buying this one for that fabric design. Slap it on the foam. Okay, full protection. All right, there's your Razivity. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, no problems with that. Let's see how easy to get to that S Pen. Real nice. And of course, let's check wireless charging. Let's turn the wireless charger on, matter of fact. Okay. Wireless charger on deck. All right, 35 bucks on this one, the Cavadrip cover. All your cutouts, all your buttons, everything lines up. And you got a nice amount of Razivity. But again, you buying this one for that fabric feel. You're going to like how this feels in the hands. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the rugged protective cover. Now this one's going to run you 40 bucks. It comes in black and silver. Okay, so you got drop protection, multiple kickstands. Now I'm speaking from experience. This is the most protective case that you're going to find from Samsung. If you got butterfingers and you're always dropping your phone, this is the one you want. The rugged protective cover. Okay, now basically, inside, you got your shock absorption. That's your patterns. On the outside, you got two different kickstands. Got this rugged grip on the side. Got a nice little texture. Some good grip on this one too. This is the workout case, the bike riding case, the 100 backflips case. This is it right here. All right, let's slap this one on. Now check this out. This one right here, you're getting maximum Razivity. So this one is 100% Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, there's your buttons. Let's see how easy it is to get to the S Pen. No problems. All of the cutouts line up. Let's check wireless charging. All right, wireless charging in the building. And let's check that kickstand. Just like that. All right, this is sick. Now, if you want to watch your videos, rock out like this. If you're only going to buy one protective case, this is the one you want. I love this textured feel on the side too. Extra grippy. This one is pretty sick. I got this on all of my Galaxy phones. This is a 100% drop proof, dirt proof, dust proof, basically everything proof. All right, so this is a rugged protective cover. 40 bucks on this one. Comes in black and silver. Now, if you get all black, it's just going to look even better. Let's keep it moving. All right, next up, we got the leather back cover. Now, this one is going to run you 50 bucks. Comes in green, brown, and black. Okay, let's see. Non-slip foam protection, ultra slim. Leather back cover. Basically, what this one is, a nice leather case. Now, the inside, got that soft felt material. This is 100% genuine leather. Matter of fact, let's do the smell test. This is that leather. All right, this is real leather right here. Got a little Samsung branding. The top is protected, bottom is protected. There's your cutouts, buttons, cutouts, buttons. Slap the phone on. Now that little felt material on the inside, that's going to keep your phone from getting scratched up. Look how elegant and beautiful this one is. This is one of my favorite ones. All right, this is pure leather. Let's check the power button. No problems. Let's see how easy we can get to that S Pen. There it is. Let's check wireless charging. All right, there it is, wireless charge. And of course, you got a little bit of Razivity on this one. Now, this one is not 100% Slam Boy certified because the corners are a little bit light. Minimum Slam Boy certified. All right, you got a little certifications on this one, but you're buying this one for the elegance. All right, this is pure leather. This is your going out style case. This is going to look so dope in the wintertime. You go out to dinner, you got your fresh Avex leather jacket on, drop this on the table, you're going to look like a boss. All right, Samsung leather back cover. 50 bucks. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the SView flip cover. Now this one is gonna run you 50 bucks. It comes in black, brown, and silver. Okay, let's check this one out. Let's see, notification alerts, pocket screen protection, ultra slim. 50 bucks on this one. Now you've seen this one before. This one is pretty sick. This one's gonna protect your phone in your pocket. All right, so the front is not gonna get scratched up. Protection for the back. The bottom is wide open. The top is wide open. But this one, you're gonna get your notifications through the display. All right, so we'll slap this one on the phone real quick. Close it up. Let's get a little wipe down. Hit the power button and check this out. You don't got to go to settings. You don't got to do anything. There's your time, your date, your battery percentage, and all of your notifications. Pop up just like that. Open up the phone. It's going to automatically take you to your lock screen. Close it up. Right back to your SView window. Let's check wireless charging. Okay, turn this on. Okay, now I heard it vibrate. I don't know if y'all can see that. Through it says fast wireless charging. Let me do that again. You see it says wireless charging. Oh, that's pretty sick. All right, that's pretty sick. Let's do a wire. Let me, do I got a cable? Let me plug this in real quick and see if you get any notification for a wired connection. Okay, shows you charging. Fast charging. Real nice. Let's see how easy it is to get to the S Pen. Now the bottom is wide open, so you're not gonna have a problem with that. Top is wide open. All your cutouts, buttons, cutouts, and buttons. Now let me show you what it's gonna look like when you get a phone call. All right, so I'm calling myself from my other phone, and this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, you see now I'm getting a phone call, so it shows you the person's name and their contact. And if I want to, I can answer or end it from right here. Hello? Talking on the phone. If I want to hang up, bang, just like that. SView wallet cover. This is pretty sick. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the LED wallet cover. Now this one is going to run you 65 bucks. Comes in black, brown, and silver. Now this one you got your interior pocket, LED icons, and notification alerts. Okay, let's check this one out. Now this is another wallet style case. Look on the inside. Got a little slot right here for your credit card, your driver's license. The bottom and the top is wide open, but you got full screen protection. Gives you cut out on the back. And watch this now. We're going to slap the phone on. Okay. Let's see how easy it is to get to the S Pen. No problems with that. Okay. There's your buttons. Now, for the coup de grace, you close up the case and look at that. Shows you got 48 missed text messages. And there's the time. Now let's check wireless charging. Let's see if they updated this case or not. Okay, so wireless charging. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. I showed you the battery percentage. Let me try a wired connection. Okay, so we'll plug this in. And there it is. Oh, this is so sick. Now I want to show you how it looks when you get a phone call. Okay, now I'm calling myself from the trap number. And there it is. You see, you got an incoming call coming. It's going to show you the actual number. Y'all don't need to see that. And there it is. Now, if I want to, I can answer or end. Swipeable just like that. Now I'm on the phone. This is so dope. Now, there's an app you can also download with this one to change some of the other features. So let me show you what that looks like real quick as we install it. Let's open this up real quick. Now, from the app, you can set it to automatically unlock your phone once you open up the case. You got your LED icon editor. Now, it comes with a bunch of preloaded ones. And you got custom. So if you want to, and you're nice with your S Pen, you could draw your own icons. That's pretty sick. Now, one more thing I wanted to show you. All right, now here's a nice little hidden gem. Say you're playing some music, and you close the case. Get a nice little EQ animation. I'm feeling this. All right, so this is the LED wallet cover. 65 bucks on this one. Let's wrap this up. All right, now there's one case that's missing, and Samsung, if y'all watch this video, please bring back the LED back cover. I love this case. Basically, it's just a simple case, but watch what happens when you put your phone down. Check out the starlights. This is so sick. You can also have it show notifications. I love this case. All right, so Samsung, we need the LED back cover for the Galaxy Note series. This is available for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. All right, so this is the official Samsung case lineup for your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And on the side note, all of the cases look exactly the same for your Galaxy Note 20. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.